Do you want to start making $10,000 a month? Here are 6 powerful methods that can make it happen. Stick with me, it's not a fairy tale, but a fact. Hello, and welcome to How to Easy Quick. Today, I'm going to walk you through 6 powerful methods to build a steady monthly income of $10,000 or more. If you're willing to put in the time and follow a few steps, each of these methods could help you earn this money. Number 1. Freelancing for content-related work. If you have skills in writing, graphic design, video editing, or any other content-related field, freelancing is a great way to start making money right away. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr allow you to offer your services and connect with clients who pay for quality work. Number 2. Product and service arbitrage. Arbitrage is all about buying low and selling high. You can source affordable products or services from places like Amazon or Fiverr and sell them at a markup on other platforms. For example, buy a product for $5 and sell it for $20. It's a simple business model, and with the right products, you can start making good money without needing a huge upfront investment. Number 3. Content marketing. This method involves building a blog, social media account, or website and sharing valuable information or products. You can monetize your content with ads, sponsorships, or affiliate links. Once your content attracts an audience, you'll see passive income opportunities from your page views and engagement, so it's perfect if you're looking to create something long-term. Number 4. Affiliate marketing with shorts. Short-form content is massive right now. Platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts are perfect for promoting affiliate products. Pick products you believe in, create engaging short videos, and include your affiliate links. Every sale made through your link earns you a commission, and with the viral nature of shorts, you can reach thousands, if not millions, quickly. Number 5. Faceless YouTube automation. You don't need to be on camera to run a successful YouTube channel. Choose a niche like travel, tech reviews, or finance, and create videos using stock footage or simple animations. By uploading regularly and optimizing for keywords, you can grow your channel and make money from ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links without showing your face. Number 6. Selling digital products. Digital products, like ebooks, courses, or templates, are fantastic because they require upfront work but can generate income for months or even years. You can sell them on platforms like Etsy or your own website. Once your product is listed, it can bring in passive income without needing to constantly create new items. And there you have it. 6 practical, proven methods to earn up to $10,000 a month. Pick one that interests you, put in the work, and stay consistent. Let me know in the comments which method you're excited to try first. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe to How to Easy Quick, and hit the bell so you don't miss upcoming money-making videos. Let's reach that $10,000 together. See you in the next video!